Difference between WBC and RBC. Difference, it also RBC is also called as erythrocytes. Erythro means red, cyte means cell, red cell. WBC is also called leukocytes. Leuko means white, cyte means cell, white cell. Origin, it produced in bone marrow. Bone marrow as well as lymph nodes and spleen also producing WBC. Nucleus is absent in RBC, present in WBC. Size smaller than WBC, 6 to 8 micron. This one is larger than RBC, 15 micron. So RBC is also called as erythrocytes. Origin bone marrow, nucleus is absent, size 6 to 8 micron. This one is leukocytes. WBC is also called leukocytes. Bone marrow, lymph nodes, spleen also producing. Then larger in size, 15 micron, colorless. Here no pigment. Here hemoglobin producing pigment, so red in color. Then production, 2 million pharmacy per second. It will produce 2 million pharmacy per second. This one is less production, and comparing to RBC, this one is less production. Then safe, this one is circular biconcave disc shape. This one usually round in shape. Production, this one 2 million, less than RBC. This one circular biconcave disc shape. This one round in shape. Then lifetime 120 days. RBC 120 days. WBC 5 to 21 days. This one 120, this one 5 to 21 days. Then function, cardiovascular system. Here it will work in both cardiovascular as well as lymphatic system. Then accountant, RBC 40 to 45% of total volume presented in blood. This one only 1%. RBC 40 to 45%. WBC only 1%. Then types, RBC having single type only one type. This one having 5 different types, granulocytes and agranulocytes. Granulocytes containing neutrophil, basophil and eosinophil. Agranulocytes containing monocytes and lymphocytes. So RBC single type, this one granulocytes and agranulocytes. Granulocytes, neutrophil, basophil and eosinophil. Agranulocytes example, monocytes and lymphocytes. Then number, 5 million in cubic mm of blood. This one 4,000 to 11,000. Then number increment. During physical exercise and higher altitude, we will increase the number of RBC. During infection time only, this number will increase. Then process of formation, erythropoiesis. This one name is called as leukopoiesis. Process of formation in RBC, erythropoiesis, WBC, leukopoiesis. Then motility, RBC is non-motile, but sometimes WBC motile. It will migrate to inflammatory site. Then suppose the count will reduce, means it leads to anemia. RBC leads to anemia. WBC leads to leukopenia. Then function, this one respiratory gases, oxygen and carbon dioxide. This one major role in defense mechanism of body. So RBC, WBC, RBC also called erythrocytes. This one is also called leukocytes. Origin bone marrow. Here bone marrow, lymphocytes, lymph nodes and spleen. Nucleus absent, here present, size smaller in size, this one larger. Then here pigment production is there, so red in color. No pigment production, so colorless, white in color. Safe circular, this one is round in shape. Lifetime 120 days. This one 5 to 21 days. Function, cardiovascular system. This one WBC, cardiovascular as well as lymphatic system. In body total blood volume 40 to 45 percentage, RBC only, WBC only 1%. Types, it have 5 different types. In WBC, RBC single type only. Number 5 million cubic mm of blood. This one 4,000 to 11,000. Then during that physical exercise and higher altitude, we will increase RBC count, but during infection time only it will increase. For the process of formation, erythropoiesis, this one is leukopoiesis. Motility, this one non-motile. During inflammatory time it will migrate, so this one is motile. Then low count leads to anemia, this one leads to leukopenia. Then function, oxygen, respiratory gases, this one defense mechanism.